Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every type of the video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can, so smash the like button. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, so smash the like button, and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends, and tell them to subscribe. It helps out with the channel massively. And comment what you thought of the drawing. Don't forget to comment, because I reply back to every single comment. Here's your FORGER from Spy Family. Hope you all enjoyed this much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I really love how the outcome came out. And I really love how well the colors work together, so hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. And if you want to see more Spy Family drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I'm going to be leaving some drawing playlists in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out, because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you really like, so you should check it out since we in the description. And I also have a Spy Family drawing playlist there, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.